Hello, Stow and Show Company. I have a small complaint about your license plate bracket for a 2015 BMW i8. Now, when I was trying to install this on my i8, it wouldn't align properly. So I made measurements on the holes for the underneath the bumper, and the holes are slightly farther apart versus the one on your bracket. So if I'm trying to put the screws in, it is slightly angled like this, and it wouldn't go in properly. If I force it, it's gonna ruin the treads on the vehicle, so I'm not trying to force it. So as you can see, it is slightly wider than the holes that you have. Now I don't have time to return this because my license plates just arrived, and in New York State we need front licenses, and I need to put this on, so I'm just gonna modify this so it would align with the bracket. Now I'm gonna order another one for my 2009 Porsche Cayman. I'm planning on retrofitting it, and I'm just hoping that you can give me a good discount on it. But anyway, that's the issue with this. They're not aligned. Maybe you can fix it in the future and fix it in your end so that other BMW i8 owners will not have the same issue that I have. Thank you so much.